Well, hello folks, welcome back to the channel. It is all about racing. In this particular episode, entitled Famous Pairs of Porsches, we are going to look at two Porsche 911 GT1 cars from the 1998 season as competed in the FIA GT Championship. Now, one of these cars will be the number 8 car that you see here, made by HPI in 1/43 scale, and this is a diecast model on this plastic base with this cool aluminum tag on the front. Very, very detailed car. Very, very nice. One of the most detailed I have seen to date. The second car is a much less expensive car. This is an Onyx car, also a diecast model. This car is very, very cool. It's very nice. I mean, it's really clean, and it's relatively inexpensive. Not quite as nicely detailed as is the HPI car, but nevertheless, this is its partner, the number 7 car. Now, the number 8 car that you see here that competed in the FIA GT Championship in 1998 was driven by Ulrich Alsen from Germany, Bob Woloch from France, who coincidentally had 76 wins in his career, 71 of them in Porsches. Talk about a works driver. And Jörg Müller from Germany. Now, one of the cool things about HPI cars, or at least most of them, is some of the parts are removable. In this one, it is the engine cover that comes off. You can see I've stored it right there in the back. And you get a good, cool look at the engine. Here's another really cool look at it. And notice how far the diffuser stands back from the rear wheels, as well as how far the exhaust pipes go out. I mean, absolutely cool. Pretty neat look at the car from this perspective. Very, very sharp. Very, very nicely detailed. And there's a look at it with everything attached. Now, the other car here is a 1/43 scale car from Onyx, the number 7 car. Its partner in crime. A very, very neat looking car and very, very sharp. And I think Onyx did a really good job with this. Maybe not quite as nice as the HPI. The rear of it doesn't come off, but otherwise it's very, very well done. It had 2 drivers, Alan McNish, a 3-time winner of the 24-hour Le Mans and a 3-time winner of the American Le Mans Series, and Yannick Dalmas of France, who was a 4-time winner of the 24 Hours of Le Mans, each with a different team in 1992, 1994, 1995, and 1999. He did not win the 1998 24 Hours of Le Mans in this car. This is another really neatly well done car. This one with the red accents. And there's a cool look at both of these cars side by side. I put the number 7 car up here in front, quite frankly, because it was the more successful of the 2 cars. And as you can see, they're both really nicely done. I acquired the Onyx car first, and then I saw that the number 8 car was available from HPI, and I was thinking, I have got to have that, as they are matching pairs from the same season, with basically the same liveries, just with different accents. The number 7 car having red, and the number 8 car, the yellow. Anyhow, that wraps up this episode of Famous Porsche Pairs. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time.